Well, it's a one for the money, one for the show. You get ready now, Have on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything. Have on my blue suede shoes. You can knock me down, in my face, and my name over the place. Do anything you wanna do. Honey, lay off these shoes, don't you? Have on my blue suede shoes. Do anything. Off my blue suede shoes. Knock me down in my face, saying my name all over the place. Do anything you wanna do. Honey, lay off these shoes. Live on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything. Off my blue suede shoes. Oh, get out of my way. Yeah, I got a girl named Ruby, is her name. Hear me now. She doesn't love me, but I love her just the same. Oh, Ruby, 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 where you been, man? Tell me, Carmine. Oh, hear me now. Give me some bass now. Oh, sound like the old days. Yeah, blue, blue, blue suede shoes. 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 You can do anything. Over my blue suede shoes. All that good again. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes. 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 I think the drummer wants some. Oh, get crazy, Jennifer.
Yeah.
Well, welcome back to Carmine's Country Corner. We're up here at Bob Smith Toyota, and Bob was nice enough again. Bob Goth is becoming like a regular in the band now.
Well, yeah. And they have some really nice cars out here, folks. Really
They
nice
do.
cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact,
Right in front.
If
What does Bob
I gotta
say?
tell you what happened. I gotta tell you what happened tonight. For a long time, Bob Smith, none of the dealers around town, I think, had very many new cars after the COVID thing. Somehow, it was. But now they're coming back. So we got this big lot out here where we do our show, and there's plenty of parking. The boys pull up, we park where we want to park. Now they're starting to get new cars, and they're putting them on this side of the street where we are. So Bob pulls up. They got a whole line of brand new cars, and there's one spot that's open. So he pulls. At least it's a Toyota,
It's
right?
a Toyota, yeah.
It's a Toyota.
2009 Corolla, yeah. It's got 236,000 miles on it.
He pulls in that one spot and parks it in the line of like these brand new, beautiful cars.
And Carmine says, you better not park there.
Maybe you
I don't
should
wanna get a
park
phone
there.
call.
I don't want to get a call from Bob Smith saying, "Don't park your used cars in our new car line." Please.
And I understand. Okay.
That was so funny.
They sold that one.
Yeah, they sold it. I think they sold your car. It's gone.
Well, you know what Bob says, folks? He'd give them away, but his wife won't let him.
That's right. So anyway, last week we had Jimmy Angel. It was so much fun. He's such a great guy. And so here we are this week. And Paul, what happened this week? Anything good?
Nothing bad.
There it
that's
is.
good.
That's good. Absolutely. Me, I hung out. I was okay. What about you, Gary? Good week?
Yes. I was.
In
supposed
Palmer?
to- I was supposed to have my new keyboard stand from Panther, but we didn't get it together in time. But we'll have it together next week.
Well, let's see what it is. That'll be fun.
You don't mind if I bring like 9
I
more
don't.
keyboards?
That's your spot. You do whatever you want. You know. Anyway, and
Johnny Palmer.
John, you just came from a blues jam somewhere up there in Santa Clarita or something. I know you are.
You're a booze man.
Anyway, we got my daughter Kim is not here this week, and so Dan Hugott's doing all the technical stuff, and we had a couple little glitches, nothing out of the ordinary, and so we're gonna go do some more songs, and so Paul,
Yes, sir.
let's do some music.
Let's do a song.
Let's go.
Let's do The End Is Not in Sight.
I love that song.
Let's
too.
do that in the key of E. In the key of E, coming in on the 4. No 5s at all in this song, just to remind you. Yes, I do. 2, 1, 2, 3. Guess I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Like sweet magnolia wine, honey dripping from her mouth, and that sweet little gal of mine, she's the finest in the South. Now the days are getting longer, and the nights are getting colder. I wanna go back home, lay my head upon her shoulder. Guess I knew it all along. I'd have to come back home. 'Cause this living on the road only makes me tired and sore. Like a bird without a nest, like a stranger in the night. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Yeah, my soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. Take it home, Carmen. Soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight. My soul cries out for rest, but the end is not in sight.
Damn, I like that song.
That's on your record, right?
No.
That's a good song. Who did that song? Again, you.
Oh, that's an amazing Rhythm Aces
Oh, that's
song.
right. I always
by,
forget this stuff. but
Russell Smith.
Good stuff. Good stuff. I had a few things I wanted to mention. I'm drawing blanks right now, so we're going to keep the music going. And as the show goes on, these things I hope will come back.
I'll come back.
And we'll talk about it. Bob,
Yes.
hit me.
Yes. We're going to do a song called Crazy Arms. And it's in the key of D, folks. 151. And then we'll begin. Here we go. As soon as I get in tune. Let's hit 'em. Sorry.
Me
It's
too.
the weather, you know.
Me tune too.
Here we go.
Me tune too. It makes sense. I may as well play in tune.
Hope I'm in tune.
Okay.
What version?
Keep D.
Yeah. D. D. Yeah. 1, 2, 1. Now blue ain't the word for the way that I feel. There's a storm brewing in this heart of mine. This ain't no crazy dream, I know that it's real. You're someone else's love now, you're not mine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new. Although my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And that's why I'm lonely all the time. So please take these treasured dreams I had for you and me, and take all the love I thought was mine. Someday these crazy arms will hold somebody new. Thank you. But right now I'm so lonely all the time. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed. And right now I'm so lonely all the time. Carmine. Crazy arms that reach to hold somebody new, though my yearning heart keeps saying you're not mine. My troubled mind knows soon to another you'll be wed, and that's why I'm lonely all the time. Yeah, that's why I'm lonely all the time. Thank you very much, band. Beautiful.
Nice job, Bob.
Thank you right there.
Good song. Crazy Arms. That's an old one, man. Came up back in the 60s, 50s.
50s.
Was it 50s? I bet it was.
Ray Price, yeah.
Ray Price probably did it back then. Gary. So we're coming to you from Bob Smith Toyota. This is our Sunday 1-hour show. Getting a lot of good hits lately, fellas. It's growing. So I want to thank you all out there. But my son Charlie says, please help us out here. Push the like button and then the share button. And that supposedly somehow makes it go. Teresa, if you got about 30 seconds, come up real quick. You wanted to say something to some friends of yours in Burbank or something? Teresa's working with the Burbank Council or something. Okay, see, you do it. I got it all wrong. Okay.
I wanted to say hello to all my friends at the Greater Toluca Lake Neighborhood Council. That's Burbank and North Hollywood and Toluca Terrace.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And we're doing a lot of great work in the community.
Good.
And they want these guys to play for them.
Well, give us a call.
Okay.
We'll look for that. All
Okay.
right, I'll talk to you later. Yeah, so that's a little community thing there that she wanted to mention. I think that's great. And we will play for them. If they give us a call, absolutely. We'll get on there and we'll have fun. So who's up now? He did his. I'm not going to do one yet. I don't feel like
Your turn.
I'm not going to do one. Go ahead, Gary. Do another one.
Okay, here's a tune I wrote in the restroom right before coming in. Vince Gill called me. I gave it to him. I said, Vince, you need this. Now, Vince said he thanked me for playing his songs.
Yeah.
He did. He really did. I said, you know, I do a lot of your stuff. He said, thanks a lot. That if you heard me do it, you wouldn't be thanking me. Okay, this is called One More Last Chance in the key of A.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 1. She was standing at the front door, and I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling in the right. Says you come home for the last time, whiskey on your breath. You're gonna listen to my teaching after death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. You're the good old boy that's making noise and running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. First she hid my glasses, 'cause you know that I can't see. with you. Come on, mama. Hey. thing, I think I live.
Remember that old song? It was a good song. Wild Thing. That was by was that the King? Who did that? The Kinks? The Frogs.
The Trogs.
Trogs. I forgot them. I forgot the name of the band. So,
Written by Chip Taylor, by the way.
The Clogs.
Gee, I don't know what to talk about. I always have some kind of a story or something happened, and we're not going to talk about
No,
it.
you better not tell them about your...
No, we're not going to go there.
That's a great story, though. You
No,
gotta
it's
admit.
not a good story. So, now they're all going to wonder, what the hell are they talking about? So, Dan Hugott is at the controls. I hope everything's under control. We don't know for sure till the show ends, and then I get to go home and check it out. And Paul, do another one, and then
I will.
We'll see what happens after that.
We'll see what happens.
And thanks for watching, folks. We really appreciate it, and it's been a lot of fun doing the show. Over 3.5 years now, doing this thing, Paul.
Number one.
You're making me
country
feel
show.
old.
And you were there day one, and so was
I
Gary
was.
Swan. These are the two of the original guys. That hot May Sunday night, I said, meet me at 5. We're going on at 6, and we had an iPhone. All we had was an iPhone.
I was in your parking lot, right?
Yeah, well, yeah. But we go out in the parking lot at the shop. I had that week. I put this together on a Monday. I'll never forget. And I called my niece Sterling, and I said, "Get in the computer, find me a backdrop. I want to do a country show. Make it look country." And she came up with this little backdrop. Oh, and I bought 3 of these big canvas things to make it look like a barn, and we hung them up in the garage in my shop. Remember?
Yeah.
And the garage door was open, and and the camera and everything was outside on the lot, filming us. And we did it on an iPhone. And the very first show I deleted, and I'm sorry I did now because they did the iPhone, when it came up on the computer, it came out sideways.
That's right. I
And
remember.
we
We watched
started
it like
getting
this.
comments. Yeah, and so somebody had suggested on the computer. They said, "Well, just turn the the computer screen on its side. I said, people aren't going to want to do that. So that was on a Sunday. By Monday, Gary saved my butt. He says, I've got a pretty good camera, man. It's good for this. And he got it. And then my son-in-law, Tony Terosian, he's really good on computers. He'd never done this filming stuff before. And he told me what I needed. I got it. And that next Sunday, we had a camera. We had the PA was all set up right. And you know what? We've been doing it ever since.
Just like the pros.
He said,
It was hot.
it was hot out
It
there.
was hot.
Albert Lee come up one day and it was so hot I felt so bad for him. But he's such a trooper. He's such a team player. You know, he was like, man, best attitude. We all went out and got dinner after. We had a great time. And he was one of our first guest artists. Like within the first month, he came up and helped us kick it off, which was great.
Yeah.
And Paul, it's been there every week. And Gary left us for a little while. And I understood that because a gig's a gig, and he got a pretty good gig playing this thing. And I said, man, I hate to lose you. And then Jimmy Eaton I had for quite a while, and he saved our butts because he's such a great guy, and his lovely wife, Carrie, they're just great people. I love them. And we got to get him back up here. I haven't used him in a few months.
I'd like to see him again.
Yeah, get Eaton and Carrie to come up and do a show. Well, I'll be calling you guys if you're watching the show. I'll call you this week. We'll put something together. So, Paulie, who's going to sing next?
I'll sing one.
Okay. That's it. That's all I got to talk about. We're going to play some music.
G, key of G. Okay. Streets of Baltimore. All right. Here's a song for all my buddies from Baltimore, and there are quite a few of you out there.
I'm going to check my tune and you guys kick it off.
All right. Bum, bum. Coming in on the 5.
Perfect. Wait, that one's perfect.
Oh, I'll wait for you.
Folks, perfect.
I'll wait for you, Carmen, because
Okay, you
I
know,
like it when you're in tune.
You know, I lived in Baltimore as a kid.
Did you?
Really?
I hid behind the chair, and my mother was going, "Where's Gary?" And then I was scared to come out from behind the chair. Next thing I know, the living room is full of policemen. I'm still behind the chair. Everybody's panicked. So how can I say this? I got my butt whooped.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes,
Well,
that's
you-
my memories of Baltimore.
Things we do when we're young.
Got to be a pretty big chair for you to hide behind now.
Yeah.
The couch.
They got one out at the Canyon Club I could hide behind.
Coming in on the 5, key of G. 1, straight 8s. Oh, 1, 2. Well, I sold the farm to take my woman where she longed to be. We left our home and all our kin back there in Tennessee. And I bought those one-way tickets she'd often begged me for. And they took us to the streets of Baltimore. Well, her heart was filled with gladness when she saw the city lights. She said the prettiest place on earth was Baltimore at night. Well, a man feels proud to give his woman what she's longing for, and I kinda like the streets of Baltimore. Well, I got myself a factory job. I ran an old machine. We bought a little cottage in a neighborhood serene. And every night when I'd come home with every muscle sore, she dragged me through the streets of Baltimore. Well, eventually, our little home began to lose its glow. The nightlife and the wine had changed the girl I used to know. And when I tried to talk to her, she'd leave and slam the door as she headed for the streets of Baltimore. Well, I tried so hard to bring her back to what she used to be, but I soon learned she loved those bright lights more than she loved me. Now I'm going back on that same train that brought me here before, while my baby walks the streets of Baltimore. While my baby walks the streets of Baltimore.
Pretty smooth. Yeah, that's pretty good. Dan, how we doing out there? We got it? Okay. I think that was a thumbs up. I'm not sure.
I thought it was me. I was trying to. I worked out the intro. I didn't why you were talking like. Oh. I think so.
Yeah,
In the
she
long
ended,
run,
up, she
yeah.
ended up in the skids.
The song gets very dark.
I got a song about the
Except for the
streets of
bright
New York
lights.
City.
Oh no! Just kidding.
Okay, so fast, two beat, don't lag, kick it. I'd rather have you speed up and slow down. Key of C?
C.
It's C, F, and G. You'll learn it.
Good.
It's about here. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Going out on the highway, listen to the big trucks whine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bad news from Houston, all my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. White freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Old dog will bite, people there will treat you fine. That old dog will bite, and people there will treat you fine. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. Bob Gotham. Gotta get back to where I came. I'm going back to Memphis. Gotta get back to where I came. That white freight line is gonna satisfy my listen to the big trucks whine. I'm going out on that highway, listen to the big trucks whine. Yeah, Bobby, that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. One more time, Bobby, I like the way you play it. All my friends have died. Bad news from Houston, half my friends have died. And that white freight line is gonna satisfy my mind. And I'm going back to Memphis, going back to where I came. I'm going back to Memphis, come back to where I came. White freight line is gonna satisfy my pain. I kept forgetting the words, but I got through it. Bobby, great playing, man. I love the way you played.
I heard a lot of words, though, Carmen. I think
There's a lot of
you
words
sang
in
a lot
that
of
song.
words.
I sang a lot of them, and I got most of them, you know, up and down a little bit.
That's a great
Teresa,
song.
come up and do one song. I know you're chomping at the bit, so get up here. Let's do one quick one. What do you want to do?
Hey, well, with all you guys up here, how about, hey, good looking.
Okay.
Kia D, David.
So we just start with the two board? But,
2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? Hey, hey, sweet baby, don't you think maybe we could find us a brand new recipe? I got a hot rod Ford and a $2 bill. I know a spot right over that hill. The soda pop and the dancing is. I wanna have fun, come along with me. Say, hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? I'm free and ready, so we can go steady. How's about saving all your time for me? No more looking. I know I've been tooken. How's about keeping steady company? Gonna throw my daybook over that fence. Find me one for 5 or 10 cents. Keep it till it's covered with age. I'm writing your name on every page. Say, hey, good looking. What you got cooking? How's about cooking something up with me? How's about cooking something up with me? Oh yeah, thank you guys, thank you.
Nice job, Dr.
Yes.
Good job. Wait, hey, talk out of the mouth. I only been doing this a week. Thank you, Dr. Teresa. She just loves to sing. She comes up almost every week, and sometimes we get guest artists. It's only an hour show, so I don't always fit her in, but we get her up here when we can, and we appreciate the support. You know that. All right, we got about 15 minutes. Like Swan, do one. Don't drink on the job. I'm just kidding.
Prune juice.
Drink before the job.
Yeah, before you get it.
I was drunk when I learned that job.
Thanks for watching the show, folks. Tell a friend. Push like and then push that share button. I guess that's the way you do it.
I guess so.
That's what my son says.
Push the share button.
Push everybody. Push
Don't
everybody.
push the computer over, just push the share button. I think it's hit the share button if you're going to be
Hit it.
communicating.
Do what you want.
All right. I
What do you
give
got?
up. Just call me lonesome.
Okay. In the key of.
I guess it's D.
Okay, that's right. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, follow along at home,
From
folks.
the 5 to the 4 to 1. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. 1, a 2, a 1.
Just call me lonesome, heartbroken then some. I ain't got no one since you've been gone. You call me baby, I got a new name.
That's Gary Swan doing a mighty fine song.
Folks,
by,
we got time for a
Radney
couple more.
Foster.
Good, Paul. I didn't mean to
Radney,
talk over you. I'm
Radney,
sorry.
What's his name?
Who did that song?
Radney.
Foster and Lloyd.
Rodney Dangerfield.
No, it wasn't.
No,
it
no.
wasn't.
Radney Foster, right? That's
Randy
his name.
Foster? Oh, okay.
That's his name. I think so.
Gary, do you know you just did the song? Who did that song? Do you know originally?
I'm just amazed that you guys are like a bunch of old men trying to.
We
figure
are
out who
definitely
did
a
it.
bunch of old men. You're
Oh,
the
what
only
was
young
the name
one in
of
the
that
band.
guy that did, you know, he started with Lefty.
Let me get my
We
cell
know
phone. I'll look
Millsap
it
did
up.
it. Ronnie Millsap, I think, did a
He
rendition of
does
it.
everything.
Yeah, he
What
was
happened
great.
to all the pictures? I had a story.
They're on tour this week.
I had a story about Merle Haggard talking
Well-
about Lefty Perez.
They don't need to see a picture to know who Mill Haggard is. Tell the story.
I was going to tell you about Lefty. You know, I watched a bunch of videos of Lefty Frizzell just a few days ago.
Frizzell. I told you we're all
And he was
senile
wearing
here.
you know, one of these Apache
We're gonna start doing more.
ties in like every video he was in, and I was like, man, that looks good. I'm going to wear one at Carmen's Country Corner.
Next week we'll all have them on. You watch.
I-
Lefty, we love you.
I don't have that much fringe. But
Hey, you know
Well, I
Gib
was-
Gilbo. You know Gib. Remember him? Gib, my brother-in-law.
at Western stores.
So Lefty Frizzell writes a book and about his life story or something, and Gib Gilbo is in that book. Paul, I got to tell you.
I'm sorry, Carmen.
That's all right.
was having-
We're here to have fun.
Bob
we don't
and I
care
were
about this.
having a thing.
So Lefty writes this book, and Gib Gilbo is in the book.
Yeah.
Lefty talks about Gib because they worked together back in the 50s. And when I saw that, I told Gib, I said, man, like, that's pretty good. You know, Lefty's up talking about you, and, you know, that's quite a feather in his
Probably
cap.
did the
'cause
Louisiana Hayride together.
They
I'll
did
bet.
something together, but I know that he mentioned Gibbs. That's fabulous.
Nice.
Well, he mentioned me too, but my name was Merle Haggard at the time.
Yeah. So what's your Merle Haggard story? We're killing
Okay,
them. Sorry,
anyway,
folks, we're not playing music
When he
right
was
now.
16 years old,
Yeah, he was in jail.
he was talking to him,
Oh.
and they said, "Hey, he plays guitar," and Merle said the only songs he knew was Lefty's. So Lefty gave him the guitar, and
That's
he
right.
played it, and the only song that he knew was one of Lefty's. Then he sang it, and halfway through, a guy said, "Okay, that's enough. Lefty's got to go home now."
We already got a Lefty.
And didn't Lefty get him up on stage or something?
I don't know.
That's what I heard.
Merle
it.
made a living at doing Lefty Frizzell songs.
Oh,
At one
God.
time when he
But
was
you know,
young.
there were so many
That's- he
great
made a living
singers
doing
that
that.
came after Lefty who all did Lefty.
Yeah, right.
I can name it.
Merle was the best.
Merle nailed it. Wait, but did you ever hear him do like Marty Robbins or Ernest Tubbs? He could do them all. He was a great impersonator of vocal stuff, you know. Okay, let's do. Who just did one? You did that. You did that song. Drive me, that crazy song. Go ahead, Bob.
Let's do The Lonesome Fugitive.
That's a great. That's a good Merle song. Absolutely.
Another true story. Thank you very much.
Lefty Frizzell song.
Down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I've raised a lot of cane back in my younger days. While Mama used to pray my crops would fail. Now I'm a hunted fugitive with just two ways: outrun the law or spend my life in jail. I'd like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. Down every road, there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. Play it. luxury of having the one I love to come along. 'Cause you know, she'd only slow me down and then they'd catch up with me. 'Cause he who travels fastest goes alone. I like to settle down, but they won't let me. A fugitive must be a rolling stone. Down every road there's always one more city. I'm on the run, the highway is my home. I'm on the run, the highway is my home.
All right.
Cool. Thank you.
That's a good one.
Sorry about the rough start.
Folks, we got time for one more song. Thanks for hanging out with us. Thanks for all the kind words. You guys always say such nice things about the boys in the show. Bobby, thank you again so much for coming up.
Glad to be here.
Every time you're here, we don't take it lightly.
I love it.
I appreciate it. And Paul, take us home.
Carmen.
And we'll see y'all next week, 6 o'clock. Don't be late from Bob Smith Toyota.
Oh, let's do this one in G. Well, I was born in the Southland 20 some odd years ago. I left home for the first time when I was 4 years old. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I pick oranges down in Florida, I pick cotton in Alabama, I pick walnuts up in Oregon, I pick guitar when I can. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. I got a woman in Cincinnati, I got a girl in San Antone. Always love the gal next door, any place is home. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah. Well, I got this worn out bass guitar I carry in an old tote sack. Pawned it about 200 times, but I always get it back. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. You may not like the way I talk, but you'll love the way I'm gone. I'm a freeborn man. My home is on my back. Well, I know every inch of highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track. Yeah, I know every inch of that highway, every foot of back road, every mile of railroad track.
Good night, folks.
Thank you all. Good night.